Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and we have an iPhone 7 Plus with a very cracked screen. What I recommend is to, if you do have a cracked screen, just, to put some tape on the screen itself. I'll put a little tape on there. But if you're a client or whatever and you crack your screen, just put a little tape on it so that way you don't get slivers or things in your hands. So we're going to go ahead and put the OEM grade screen on this and also the water seal. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
'Cause there's only one king, and there's only one crown, and there ain't enough room for us both on the throne. It's about to go down, so you better start running, so you better start running, let's go. So you better start running, because I'm coming right now, because I'm coming right now. Heard the masses talking whispers, situation getting tenser. You should probably pay attention. Boy, you know I'm born to win it. Ever since I had the vision, when I speak my people listen. We can start a new tradition. All the children, men and women, right now gather around and burn it down.
And we are done. So brand new screen with the water seal. The screens come with a little plastic piece on there, so that way they don't get scratched. In 14 minutes and 12 seconds. And as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, then it's free. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, unlock, anything to do with iPhones, we're glad to help. Just send us an email, give us a call with any questions. There's a website, I'll leave a link in the description below as well. Also, if you get the chance to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all my customers. Thank you for watching the video, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again.